These 3D product models were generated by Mugen 3D from just one image. We tested several e-commerce categories, including fashion items, plush toys, and anime figures. The idea is simple. Can a flat product photo become an interactive 3D product page? For fashion products, a normal image often cannot show the thickness, material, shape, or how the item feels when worn. With a 3D model, users can rotate, zoom in, and view the product from different angles. Our current model viewer is web-based. It can be embedded into different platforms and opened directly on mobile browsers. Of course, it is not perfect yet. For example, products like bags can still be unstable when the structure is complex. This is something we are working to improve. If you work in e-commerce and want to test your product images with Mugen 3D, feel free to leave a comment. Your feedback will help us improve the next version.